Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of spark plug. So in this video tutorial we are going to make this beautiful piston cylinder assembly in Fusion 360. So before starting, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to share and subscribe my videos, and let's get started. So let's get started. Just go to sketch, choose any plane you want, click C for circle and draw a circle of radius diameter 100 mm. Stop the sketch, click on extrude, extrude this profile up to 20 mm, click on operation and choose new component and press OK. Now you can see there's a new component here in the timeline. Double click on this and rename this as wheel. Now click on this face and click create a sketch. Again press C and draw a circle of 75 dia and press OK. Stop the sketch, click on extrude, choose this sketch, make the cursor move backward so that the operation will be selected as cut, and make extrude cut of -5 and press OK. Again click on extrude, click on this profile, go to start, from object choose the back of this face and again choose 5 and press OK. So that way we will have a cut on both of this side. Again go to go to modify, click on chamfer, select this edge and this edge and give it a chamfer of 5 mm. Now click on this face and click on create a sketch. Here draw a circle of press C and draw a circle here and press D for the dimension command and give it a dia of 20 mm and press OK. Stop the sketch, click on extrude and make a hole through it. Again click on this face, go to sketch, click on the sketch command, go to slot and choose 3 center point arc slot. Choose this as the center, go at a distance of 20 and press OK. Click on this all the way to 90 degrees and make a slot of 5 mm thickness, and or you can make it 8 mm thickness and press OK. Go to sketch, go to circular pattern, choose this sketch. We have to choose this sketch, choose all the 4 profile and click on the center point and this as the center point, and the quantity will be 3 and press OK. Again click on extrude, select all these 3 profile and make a beautiful extrude cut through this. So this is going to be our wheel. So once the wheel is complete, you can go to modify, click on fillet. Click on fillet, choose this edge and this edge and give it a fillet of 2 mm and press OK. Now we have to make the rod, the center rod on which this wheel is going to rotate. So go to sketch, click on this face, draw a circle of 20 mm, stop this sketch, click on extrude and on the direction click on two-sided, extrude up to, on the reverse side extrude up to 30 mm. No, extrude up to, what was this distance? Yeah, extrude up to 10 mm and on the front side extrude up to -5 and the operation, click new component and press OK. So we have a new component here. Again, click on this face, click on extrude, click on sketch, click on this face, press C for circle and draw a bigger circle of 25 mm dia. Click on extrude, choose both of these profile and extrude this profile up to 50 mm and press OK. Now rename this component as the rod. Press OK. Now again click on sketch, press this face, press C for circle and draw a circle of 15 mm dia and cut it and extrude it up to a distance of 30 and press OK. Now once this is completed, we have to make the support on which this whole thing is going to be mounted. So for that, click on this face, click on sketch, press a C for circle and draw a circle of 40 mm diameter and press OK. Now draw a line, a vertical line from the origin towards the downward and make this as the length of 100 mm and press OK. Now once done, make a line from this point towards the right of this line at a distance of 55 and press OK. Click on another line command, join this point to the circle as tangency. If you don't know how to make this line tangent to this, simply go to the sketch platelets, click on the tangent command, select this line and the circle you have just drawn. Click on the mirror command, choose this line and the mirror line will be the center line you have just created. Once done, you can stop the sketch. Okay, hold on. Just go back to the sketch by double clicking from the timeline and don't forget to join this point to this point so that our sketch is closed. Stop this sketch, extrude, choose all this profile and extrude it towards the center at the extrude distance will be choose two sides. One side will be 20 and other side will be 10. Make this -10. Once done, click on new component and press OK. Now as you guys can see that our support is okay. We will modify the remaining part in the last. Rename this component as support. Now we have to make the base plate. So for that, click on this base of this support and click on create a sketch. Draw a rough sketch of draw a rough rectangle of any size you want. We will modify it in the last according to our design. Just stop the sketch, click on extrude and extrude it up to a distance of say -25. Click on new component and press OK. Oh, let me just change one thing. Again, go to sketch. Let me just make this a little longer so that we are going to place the piston assembly on this part, so this part needs to be little bit longer. Stop this sketch. You can just give a fillet so that it may look little bit more attractive. Select all the four edges of this base plate and give it a radius of according yourself. Let's say radius of 85 mm and press OK. Once done, rename this component as base plate and press on OK. Don't forget to save your drawing so that you can ensure the safety of your drawing. So next thing, we have to make the piston and the cylinder assembly. So let's start. Now the next thing you have to do is click on sketch, uh, zoom zoom in, click on this face of this wheel and click C for circle. From the origin, go towards the right in horizontal direction, and in the center of this line and this line, draw a circle of 5 mm diameter. Press OK. Quickly stop a sketch. Press extrude and extrude this profile up to 20 mm and click on join. Once joined, again click on create a sketch command, click on this profile, draw a circle of say 15. From the center of this circle, draw a horizontal line towards the left of length 150 and press OK. You can just hide the previous things if you want. So once done, click again, press C, and on this point draw a circle of 5 mm diameter and press OK, and draw another circle of 10 mm dia and press OK. Now join these two circles in tangency with the help of a line. So you can just go to platelet and click on this tangent command, click on this line and make this tangent toward this circle, click on this line and make it tangent to this circle. Similarly, repeat this step for this part also and make them tangent. Once done, you can just simply stop the sketch. Now bring back the wheel, press on extrude, choose all these profile, choose all the profile that needs to be extruded except for this hole and this hole. Now extrude it up to a distance of 17 mm, and on the start choose offset and offset it at the distance of 2 mm and make this 17 as 15, and you can just click on new component and press OK. Click on this and make this as 12 and press OK. Now once done, you can this is the connecting rod, so you can just rename this component as connecting rod. There is still something that we need to do in this connecting rod, but we are going to do that in the last part of this video after we will complete our assembly. So this is the connecting rod we have just made. So just revert back the position. Again click on this face, go to sketch, and from here draw a circle of 20 mm diameter. From the top of this, let me just move this command here, click L for line, and from the top of this draw a horizontal line of 15 mm and press OK. Repeat the same step for the lower portion also, and join this line to this line. Give tangent relation to this and this. So once done, next step we have to do is click on extrude, change the camera view, select this profile, this profile, this profile except for the hole, and extrude it till 14. Choose the two-sided and extrude this side up to 4 mm and 14 mm, so that this thing needs to be in center. So make this as -4.5, and you can just press on new component and press OK. So once completed, next step is to choose this face and click create a sketch, draw a rectangle between there, draw a line in the center of this profile, go to the template, click on equal, select this equals to this. We have to just delete this sketch for now. All the sketch, click on stop sketch, just go back to timeline, as we have to change a little bit dimension from here. So instead of making this 4.5, simply make it 4 and press OK. Now if I just measure the distance from this face to this face, it's 4, and this face to this face is 4, so it's in the center. Now this time let me just hide this sketch. Click on this face and click on create a sketch. Press L for the line. From the center, draw a line. Now create a circle, create a rectangle in center of this piece. Click D for dimension, give it a dimension from this to this as 4 mm. Something went wrong. Make this 4. Again press T, click on this, and make this also 4. Once done, click on this profile and this, make it 5 and press OK. Now once completed, click on stop sketch, click on extrude, select this profile and extrude cut through this. On objects to cut, just untick the connecting rod part and press OK. So that way we will have a beautiful part, and this part needs to be the piston part, so rename this part as piston, and don't forget to save your drawing. Once done, we have to make the other part which consists of the piston and the cylinder itself. So for that, click on sketch, choose this plane, and in the center, from this corner to this corner, draw a line, and in the center draw a circle of diameter 12. Press OK. Stop the sketch, click on extrude, choose this profile and extrude this up to a distance of 50 mm. Press OK. So once done, again click on sketch, choose this plane, draw a circle in the center of, and this time the diameter will be 30. Stop the sketch, click on this profile and extrude it up to a distance of 25 and press OK. So this is going to be our piston, and this thing is going to be our something like connecting rod type thing. So the next step is to create some groove in this piston. So choose this plane, or you can just create a center plane. So for now, just choose this plane, click on this profile, go towards this profile, and simply make two rectangles. Click on the dimension tool, give this a distance of 1.5 mm, and from here to this point, click on dimension tool, select this point and this. Let me just okay, it's not working. So draw a line, a vertical line from this point, click on dimension tool, select this, and you just hide the piston for now, and select D for dimension, select this and this, and make a distance of 1.5 mm. Similarly, the distance from here to here will be 1.5, and the distance from here to here will be 1.5. Now the thickness of this rectangle will be 1 mm, and this will also be 1 mm. So once done, just change this to 1. Once completed, you can just stop the sketch and go to isometric view. So we have to revolve cut through this profile. For that you can construct an axis. So go to axis through a cylinder, select this face and press OK. The axis has been created. Go to create, go to revolve, choose this profile and this profile. The axis will be this. Operation will be cut and just press OK. So once cut, we have to do a little bit of fillet. Choose this sketch, give it a fillet of 0.5, and you can just press on OK. So once done, this is a whole other component. So once done, we have to make the cylinder assembly. For that, just revert back to the original position. We can just unhide all these elements, just hide the axis for now. Now for the cylinder part, we have to let's select this face for now. Select this face, just hide all the unnecessary things, and from here draw a circle from the center of diameter 30 mm, and from here choose the rectangle as center rectangle and draw a rectangle of 40 by 40 and press OK. Stop the sketch, click on extrude command, select this profile and extrude it all the way through there, and click on new component, and the direction extrude will be -51. Press OK. So once done, you can just click on this face and click on create a sketch, draw a circle of 30, extrude, click on this face and this face and extrude it up to a distance of 5 mm, and the operation will be joined, and press OK. So that's where we have created the cylinder part for this assembly. So once done, revert back to the original position, bring back all the elements that we have previously hide. So you can just also make it a little bit more big if you want. So I think this is perfectly okay. Now the next step is to make a suitable stand for that. but before that we need to complete the assembly first so that we can make the rest of the modification later on. So don't forget to save the drawing before we proceed with the assembly part. So for the assembly we have to make let's make this as the start with the this part, the support. So right click on the support, make it ground. So we have grounded the support so that it is now in affixed to this point and we can't move unlike the other part. So revert back to original position. So to start with the assembly, what we have to do is the first thing we have to make a little bit more change here. So click on extrude command, click on this and extrude this face up to a distance, click to object and select this face and press OK. So we have just extruded it to this face. Now we can just move this thing all along the way. So let's start with this. Go to assembly, go to join, click on capture position, select this face, the circumference of this rod and the circumference of this, and the motion type will be of revolute. So this thing needs to be rotated. Press OK. Now again repeat the same. Click on joint, click on this face and this face and press OK. Now click on joint command, click on this circle and click on this space. So once done, just move it in the Z direction at a distance of -2 mm and you can just press OK. So we have just created the assembly, you can see. So revert back to the original position. Now we have to make a joint between this and this. So for that again click on join, click on capture position, join this part with this part and make a revolute joint and press OK. Now the next step would be to make a slider relationship between this face and this face. For that click on join, click on capture position, choose this face and this face and make a say slider relationship between them and you can just press on OK. So once done, we have to move this component 7, just rename this as cylinder. So right click on the cylinder and make it grounded. So our assembly is completed. If I just move this, you can see that the part are moving and the assembly is completed. So we have to make changes in the cylinder part according to the movement of the piston and vice versa. So we have to make this rod a little bit longer so that it does not intersect with this part. So for that, just this rod needs to be of length and by mistake we have made it of length 50. So we have to click on this rod, go back to the prime line, so we will just double click and make the distance as 100 mm and just click on OK. Now revert back to position, right click on the cylinder, So next step is to run to the side of this part. Click on extrude. Extrude it up to a distance of 50 mm. Press OK. Let me just right click on this. Click on opacity. Make it 90%. So we have to make the bore a little bit more deep. For that, click on extrude. Click on continue. No. Click on extrude. Click on capture position. Select this face and extrude it super to the object. And the face will be just like this. Select this face. Good. And the object curve will be the cylinder part. So this becomes the piston. Now the bore length is from this face up to the side. So you can see that now our cylinder is complete. The cylinder is complete and it's moving all across the piston. So we can just if I just rotate this now, you can see this is how the cylinder piston works. So we can now make changes according to our need. The assembly is completed. So if any further changes, like we have to do some more fillers, we have to make the filler this from here to here. So that thing you guys can do it yourself.